I fitted the sprayer bar. It just slides out. Those are the little clips that I printed that it slides in on. And when I'm happy with it, I've then got a final one that goes over the end, a cap that stops it from moving backwards and forwards. I've done a quick test spray, and all the spray nozzles are working fine. There was still one blocked one and one that was just firing water straight out like a cannon, so I've replaced 2 more, so that's all 5 replaced now. They were from AliExpress. I've got another 5 left I think in my bag of bits and pieces, so what I'll do is I'll get some more ordered, because they do block up every now and again. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test the sprayer with the bottle full of water, and we'll see how long it takes to empty. Well, the bucket's going to catch some of the spray. It's all hooked up. What we'll do is we'll put the power supply on here and leave that going. Well, that's now running. Water's now starting to drain out the bottle. And as you can see, there's a lot of spray coming out. It works absolutely fantastic. Look at that. That's all 5. Look at the amount of water. Anyway, so imagine that going over the intercooler with the air travelling over it. Yeah, amazing. So what I'll do is I'll just capture it all, and then we'll see how long it takes to run, and then I'll know how long the little drinks bottle will last. Just what you need in the greenhouse, isn't it? It's not gone down very far. It's only about half empty so far. Still running beautifully. It's going well. The clicking you can hear is from the switch mode power supply. It's better when it's on a 12-volt battery, but it's running quite nicely. It's nearly got to the end. Oh, actually no, it's still about a third full. I'll still get loads of spray coming out. Look at that. Fantastic. Just what you need on a hot day like this. Nearly at the bottom, and then I'll see from the video how long it took to empty. Nearly there. You'll hear the pump run very quickly when it gets to the end of the water. Stop it before it runs completely dry. There you go. Right. Oh, lots of water. Hey, perfect. Right, I'll clean the mess up and then we will plumb it in. And then the next time I drive the car, I know it's going to be spraying water and not fresh air over the intercooler. Yeah, so testing's gone fine. What I'll do now is I'll put it back into the mounting mechanism. It slides along. There you go. It slides all the way down to the bottom. There you go. That's as far as it will go in the end stop. And what we'll do now is I'll fit this cap here, which will go on the end, and then that will stop it from moving to and fro. And then I'll put the pipe on, and then yeah, I'll just quickly run it again and see what it looks like spraying on the underneath of the intercooler. Well, that's the end cap fitted with the double-sided tape, so it's now not going anywhere, and it's now ready to have the hose pushed back into the end just here, nylon pipe, and then I'll just do another quick test with some more water. Right, final test, it's all fitted. Let's put the water on and see what the spray looks like inside the intercooler. I can adjust the angle of any of the nozzles as I need to, just twist them around. So let's put the power on and see what it looks like. Yeah, blimey. Yeah, that's getting properly drowned, that is. Or with the air going in, that should make a difference, so we'll see when I do my next event. Well, that seems to be a success. I'm quite pleased with that. I'm going to put the drinks bottle, put the lid back on, and I'll top up the water, put the lid back on, and move it back to where it normally lives, and tidy up. I'm very pleased with that. It's quite cool what you can do with the Fusion and the 3D printer, isn't it? So we'll see what that's like at Lidden, and we'll yeah. I mean, it's got to make a difference, isn't it? They're now 55, 60 millimeters beneath the bottom of the intercooler, and I can adjust the direction of the nozzles, and with the air travelling into this duct on the side, the side pod, the air should hopefully grab the water and help pass it through the intercooler. So yeah, I'm very pleased with that. Very cool.